Hello again. So today we are going to take out the old exhaust, which I had before, which is the SB quad tips with I don't remember where I got the H5. I don't remember if it was a Stita or LMR. It probably is LMR. It wasn't that much. It's been there for 2 years. I'm gonna put this up for sale maybe for $400 if anybody wants it. You know, just DM me. I'm in the Suffolk, Virginia area. Actually sounded all right, but I couldn't pass those. This is how they get you. Those Black Friday sales. So I got a set of MBRP Street series mufflers with the whole catback exhaust, which is, that one is 2.5, this is 3 inches, so it's gonna make it sound a lot better. It's better free flowing exhaust, and actually it might not have that much drone inside. Those had a little bit of drone every time I push the car. I mean, you can hear it. It was annoying me. So and they were a lot better than the other ones I had over there, which those are really loud. All right, so you guys probably know what those are. So that's a tiny little you might as well have no mufflers. So those will work better if you had the resonator inside. So all this stuff is for sale anyways. So I'm about to install it. There's a million videos on YouTube on how to install this. I just telling you what we're doing is to put it up on my fake Mac 1 and on my 2020 GT. And what I did, I bought the aluminized steel, so it's not, this is, you know, it will corrode just like the stock one. That I mean, it still works, it's good. You can still put a coat of paint in there and it will protect it. So what I did, I put high temperature paint, the ones that you use for those grills and ovens, and it will, again, it doesn't have to look pretty because it's underneath the car. However, I wanted to protect it from the elements, since I didn't spend the extra $200 for the I think the stainless steel, which it will not rust. So without any further ado, it wasn't that hard to take the other one off too. So I was surprised, maybe because I did the H5 like a year ago and 2 years ago, and it was easy. So I took it out in pieces, which it was easier to do than the rest of the stuff. Oh, if you guys are interested in this, I also I'm not a welder, but it's welded. The H5 is welded to those heat shields and the rest of the pipe, and the good thing is that it doesn't leak, which is the reason why I welded. Okay, we just finished installing the MBRP system, and the street version. We're gonna see how it sounds. Surprised. The tips actually match well. So right now what I'm gonna do is it is a little loud, but it's quieting it down once it gets warm. Oh, that's perfect. So once it gets a little warmer, I'm gonna go underneath it and retype all the screws really quick. So far so good. It was not easy. Well, no, it was actually a lot easier. Let's go. Okay, so we finished installing the exhaust, and actually it was not that hard. It was pretty decently easy. We started from the front and moved to the back. It took me just a little bit to adjust the tips, just to make sure that they are looking great. And right now we're gonna do a start and see how they sound. Uh-oh. sounds a lot deep. It sounds a lot deeper than what I had before. It is actually nice. It's not as raspy as I thought it would be. It's a straight through, so like you can see from on the mufflers that going in, it goes straight through, and just like a, what would you call those? Almost like the Roush kind of, the way you can have it straight through, and they have all that stuff, the fiber inside to take the raspiness down a little bit. So far so good. The car is coming great. I actually had the gaps fit. Oh yeah, they look a lot better. It sounds pretty good. So what I've done after before I put the exhaust is I got these little things right here. I don't know if I got them from Amazon. You know how my wife returns stuff, so I actually buy the stuff for the car, but she returns and I get that credit. So those diffusers down there, looks nice. One thing I did, I don't know if I mentioned in the previous video, is the custom seat covers. I think I did, and they look awesome. I think they're actually great. Let's rev it up a little bit. All right, here we go. I don't like to drive it in the winter time. Is because that car has summer tires on, and those summer tires they don't like cold or wet weather or wet roads. Anyway, until next time, guys, bye.